पटाखा पूजा के साथ हफ्ते भर की सारी थकान मिटाओ, टेंशन से दूर भाग जाओ, सैटरडे का अलग मजा उठाओ। मूवीज, म्यूजिक और स्पोर्ट्स की सारी अपडेट्स पटाखा पूजा के साथ।
Well, जिस बात के बारे में हम आपसे कब से कह रहे थे, and the moment that we have been waiting for, right here, right now, in Hum FM studios, we have Shreya Ghoshal live. Welcome, a very, very, very warm welcome, Shreya.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm very, very good. I'm really excited to be here in Auckland. And studio too as well.
Oh, that's lovely to know, lovely to know. Well, Auckland वासियां तो बहुत ही टाइम से आपका वेट कर रहे थे, and of course for the grand show that's happening tonight, दीवानी मस्तानी जिससे तो आपका nickname हो गया है. So how are you feeling about it?
Feeling quite Diwani and quite Mastani. And I'm all set to go probably even more of the Diwani Mastani on stage tonight. And yesterday was Wellington and it was fabulous start. So I know that Auckland would be like triple of what happened in Wellington, and I know the audience in Auckland की जबरदस्त audience है. जब भी आई हूँ इतना मजा आया है. एक ऐसी audience है जिसके लिए मैं कुछ भी गा सकती हूँ और उतना ही प्यार मिलता है मुझे. तो बहुत ज्यादा ही एक्साइटमेंट है पूरे बैंड का. और बहुत सारे गाने हैं. लाइक दिस crazy amount of songs happening tonight.
Wow, we cannot wait for it. बहुत ही ज्यादा सभी लोग look forward कर रहे हैं for this concert. And like you mentioned, Wellington का तो was power packed, and of course Auckland is going to be even better. Inshallah, that's what we are hoping for as well.
I know that.
Great, lovely. Well, Shreya, talking about, everybody knows कि आपने कितनी बचपन से, मतलब you were just 3 years old when you started singing and then started your professional training when you were 6 years old. तो तभी से आप इतना beautifully गा रही हैं, and you've had such an amazing and such a tremendous career so far in Bollywood, and many more years to come, touch wood, I'm sure of that. So how do you take it all in, and what's the kind of love that you get all around the world? आपको कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है और बहुत हम्बल तो फील है ही, और डर भी लगता है कि इतना प्यार है, इतनी जिम्मेदारियां आ जाती है उसके साथ. आई रियली फील दैट ऑल द ट्रस्ट दैट माई ऑडियंस हैज ऑन मी, I should be able to do better every time I go on the mic, whether it's on the stage or in the studio creating a new song. I always think that it's going to be finally in their playlists, and I hope that it goes one step ahead of what I did last. So I really I think all the love that I get every time मैं कहीं आती हूँ, जैसे ऑकलैंड आई हूँ, मुझे सारी ऑडियंस के साथ आज मिलने का मौका मिलेगा. ये सारी जो दुआएं हैं, ये मोटिवेशन लेके मैं घर वापस जाऊंगी, और अगली बार जब आऊंगी तब उसी मोटिवेशन का असर लेकर कुछ और गाने लेके आऊंगी. So I think this is it's a circle, and I love this this whole circle of life that keeps going on.
That's amazing, and such humble words from you. I mean, that's so you're so down to earth, and you've had a tremendous amount of success, and of course with this great love. What do you have to say about, I mean, I think you're the only star from Bollywood who's got a day named right after herself, right? In the state of Ohio has given you Shreya Ghoshal Day on the 26th June. How did you feel about that? And everybody, all your fans really celebrate that day amazingly.
Actually, this is, again, I think I'm very lucky to have such amazing fans. ये जो fans हैं, जो म्यूजिक से इतना लगाव रखते हैं, ये लोग इतना मुझे मोटिवेटेड रखते हैं, इतना प्यार देते हैं. कभी कभी सच में लगता है कि डू आई इवन डिजर्व इट, बट आई थिंक आई एम रियली लकी टू हैव सच अमेजिंग स्वीट फैंस. बीइंग गिवन अ डे on my name itself was a surprise when it happened, and I think it's an amazing thing, and I really cherish that moment when I was on the stage and that was conferred on me. And I would not, I think about even celebrating it every year, but my fans would not let it not be celebrated. So I thank them all from the bottom of my heart.
Absolutely. I mean, even in the studios on the 26th, we celebrated your day with such amazing songs of yours.
Thank you.
So definitely, in terms of, you're looking forward for tonight's show, definitely. और उसके बाद जो है आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर भी करने वाली हैं. How excited are you about that?
Really excited. Auckland and then Sydney, and this is going to be the start of pretty much across the globe. So New Zealand, Australia, फिर उसके बाद US. So I think I'm looking forward to this whole globe trotting which is going to happen now. And yeah, I'm happy.
That's wonderful. There was one little thing जो हमने सुना है आपके बारे में that when you started your career, you know, with major hits, आपको national awards मिले हैं, film fare मिले हैं, so many great accolades you've got. और कहीं पर आपको Bollywood में भी as a main lead का भी chance मिलने वाला था, but you refused. Is there any truth to that?
I have never taken it too seriously. That's why. मुझे बिल्कुल भी एक्टिंग का वो शौक जिसको बोलते हैं वो है ही नहीं. So every time someone has come to me with an idea or a script or anything, पता नहीं कभी भी वो strike नहीं हुआ. But then they say never say never.
That's right.
Although I know that I probably won't be proactive enough to go and take up a, you know, thing like acting for any role. पर कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, you never know.
That's true. With a wonderful and pretty face like that, I think you should definitely give Bollywood a shot. You're going to do fantastically well there.
Thank you.
And of course, what expectations can the people have today from your show?
Oh, of course. I mean, I hope कि everybody is coming क्योंकि बहुत तैयारी के साथ आए हम सब.
जी.
Of course, you know the show is called Diwani Mastani. So Bajirao Mastani is going to be celebrated full on this in this concert. But that apart, all my songs since the start of my career till date, all the hits. That apart, some tribute songs of you know the I think I enjoy that section the most when I'm able to give that little tribute to the legends. So there'll be some amazing songs for all the old Hindi film song lovers here.
Oh, great!
And of course there will be Dhamal Masti to all romance, soulful stuff. I think it's gonna be one of those nights which you and me both together will remember for a really long time.
Absolutely.
Looking forward to it.
I think it'll be all flavors that one can expect and one can want for from a concert. And of course, your songs have been so amazing, all different kind of things. Talking about not just Hindi songs, you know, आपने बहुत सारे languages में गाया है all across. There have been so many languages, regional languages में आपने गाया है. And I mean, are you well versed with all those languages या फिर आप pronunciation and dialects इतनी अच्छी तरीके से कैसे पकड़ लेती हैं?
ऐसा कुछ बहुत मुझे I can't speak most of the languages, but I think I'm a good learner.
Right.
And I like to be a student. So every time I am given a song in any other language which is not fluent that I can't understand or speak, I become a full-on focused student. So I think it helps.
Yeah.
Or I've been very lucky to be able to sing in all the languages जहाँ पे prominently India में फिल्में हो रही हैं या गाने हो रहे हैं. So I'm happy.
Fantastic, because all the regional fans as well are like, oh, because I personally am, I'm from Hyderabad, so I know Telugu
yeah.
So when I listen to your songs in those languages, I'm like, oh my gosh, she's so amazing. Even with the dialects of that. That's amazing. Fantastic there, Shreya. So, we would like you personally to invite all the Auckland fans to your show today, and I'm sure it's going to be an amazing event.
I just want कि आ जाइए. अब क्या सोच रहे हैं अगर जिन लोगों ने अभी तक नहीं लिए हैं टिकट्स, एंड आई होप दैट अभी आप एकदम जोश में आ गए हैं, उड़ गए हैं, मतलब फुल. आज क्या डे है? इट्स अ सैटरडे.
इट्स अ सैटरडे.
सो आई थिंक यू आर एट होम. So let's party tonight.
Let's party tonight. Shreya Ghoshal style is going to happen. जाने से पहले, just 2 lines if you can hum for our audiences here.
Sure. मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई, जो जग ने न मानी तो मैंने बिठानी, कहाँ थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई. कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई, दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई.